Yɛkɔ Secondary Takoradi and free train ride no share from Secondary through to Takwa. Eric Ejay Juma Connect FM or Takoradi. He was on board the trainer a year trip no pay. Eric, what you encourage mo akwa be kosi saying so ni?
Obi michia wo eti foso eyabe.
Na bibia boko a.
Yamina dumo bibia boko da wo.
Fantastic. Na yenim say train a free Secondary e call Takwa utna mu bi. Na experience net saying
Obi no very when you back there it brought back a lot of memories. Ewu there aina ye wo Secondary Takoradi ya do ko Takwa edoko Kumasi no ewu there mbi bi we twom na train odi akwanaba pa na share since 2007 them passenger services on that line no wabo fom nti na adala Ghana Railways wo ye no oye wo haul manganese from Nsuta to Takoradi Harbour nti yeti there nyama atutum ma obaye passenger services no the binum po anyone didn't come or train them the name that wona atetaw because for the past 13 years them service why elude one na wa baby on dey no oye ni je obi
and from Secondary to Takwa train take how many minutes?
You mpocho marching there yam start with Secondary.
Okay.
Yes, start to Takoradi mum near the bar Kojo Krum near the Fuma near the bar Takwa. Na actually one communication what the bear consider na. No I don't go to 6:15. But what's where Yaman getting to be into 6:15 to 6:35. Now or 66.8 kilometers from Takoradi point 1 to last point or Takwana Yebodulin or 66.8 kilometers. Now they less than 3 hours. Now Yebodul Ahade into year 2 around 6:35 no Yedu Ahade there 9:15 9:20 a one Yedu Ahade.
Okay.
Now Obi the Esha the line from Takoradi to Kojo Krum no yada two old lines no yen fofol oye yewura mahama na bredo in city Takoradi to Kojo Krum the no very smooth na from Kojo Krum to Takwa no oye tete lines no colonial times lines no na oye rehabilitation in city one to had in the no oye a bit bumpy or the baby are now why there's a train or to fomo front to fomo now the batia ne there most of phone in the na no hun papa na mton can go there on your train for na your mama
Eric meba ma memfen twem say omo a share on Facebook live no so one call Facebook you can get onto Facebook now some people who experience no on video as captured on video ubehu amanfo ejina kwan ho omo eti train lines omo nam so train ankasa interior anyhow emu esiti you can get onto Facebook now Asempa 94.7 FM on Facebook and get to watch the experience and how ana esi Eric me ba to asoma me
nana America yi de train na the ben onye ma yewura mahama or the ben ehun de nka no train no ibi wo ho a renovation na de nti anabi na ye de fi Takoradi ya de Takwa na coaches in oil 5 na locomotive call off from him na what's the coach bia no tum from 80 nti match na no chere wa about 300 nti them coaches na ya de be ya ndam America no enije ma me dem ndi nkomode o se there o se esraso a owo ekwan no na ne farm ban ekwan no nti nka no na anu na training na other cats ne nyama other ba Takoradi na Kojo Krum na bon wo fom pa na train gui no isia no so other ba o pay as much as 1 million for nam na ne banchi na ne bread na de no inti train dey ya obeti na du no ehun de ni aketaw because also the isia no say what do 1 million as a training abbey? Let's say, or budget crown point, you show Podel or bubble 300, 30 cities. Now, Yanni and next to be Sukase. And also every 3 days, they are so Obatakwa. Now, extra Takwa to Takoradi Road, now, CCRD, in Kakra. And see, train our abandoned or Bob one pa. And so, what about the no coin per office? Takoradi Bear 7. Now, about 3 hours, so walk back to Takoradi. In Sanadi, Obaka there, we trouble full man, while got to in Konumanga. Now, you be able to Takoradi and so the energy, but been put 2 powder and Adinia, Obi, because they were there. The extra over the past period now, train Okofomana accident away for Takwa to Takwa Road in the name to be near Indian Pa. And for a lot of people, what's there? This will be a big relief to them. And to say a man, the Deputy Managing Director, Onion Fee Takoradi, Onion Bed, Dr. Engineer Michael Anike, Deputy Managing Director for Ghana Railway Company. He said, yeah,
no problem. Yes.
You, one assessment of train riding now. The way out, I'm off the way and I want to work. And then they say, I look back to Takoradi. It's almost full. No, I'm not sure that we are doing the good job. It's a huge relief for when in the man we have I'm even thinking of discussing with the board, the minister and management. We are going to the coaches in the period that can work. Because I'm also going to watch for Papa. Yes, but I know better why I'm going to do now. I don't know why I say more local. I want to be unknown to say to them. I can assure you that as we do some few trials, every time the patients are doing now, there's be there engineers for board that will take notice of them. No engineers first 7 on board. We are trying coach the engineers all taking note. And the moment we get down, we relay the information. But I'm a 1 hour free. No, I start the body maybe a week or 2 months of winding in our come up. Before in the we do Accra then now I have some stuff in a system. I had a national today. On your proper to join dinner, what about Bayona? I can't get the man okay. And then you can I can't know it all day. On your crocodile, whatever, it's still working. After the man, there are always be skeptics. But it is up to us to prove them wrong. And by the rest of them, prove them wrong. Okay. Now, I would have some Checheni, a birthday by tree, Nada. I would have your first class, second class, and other classes. Banchina birthday, whatever come your first class, second class, and what should they be? You'll be able to break and luggage. On our own. And 2 luggage here will be what amount tag or 2 tags, whatever tag all goods amount a copy. If they do the destination, you show your tag when you're without any problem. Okay. Now, if you also had another concern, it didn't work in there. The had him. What could only move? And their innovation and 1 year now what's maybe so like now. If the minion, I feel they're on yet the incentive, my own or for the overhand. Well, a journey of 1,000 miles, it begins with 1 step. If you are the most important thing that I'm out for, patronize from Takoradi to Takwa and vice versa. I'm sure the way facing is I think we are going through the procurement process. I am a contractor. But in the interim, you can say, we renovate some areas that are passing as well, which now I do from waiting for the train to move and turn up our board. And the minister look at other interventions, really the sky train now. Some of the workers who are there on your sky train now. We are now on the one people there, the Takwa to line no is active. And the CCR, the figure to in terms of revenue, now over to your own, I don't know what it not for to Kawa. Well, ultimately, everything. Ultimately, everything. But I think it's a lot more. Especially, I've been generating revenue. I mean, the maintenance cost, everything was so part of the because normally worldwide passenger services and on generate much revenue, even break even. And clearly, it's not a sector because government will intervene, and then subsidize the operations. Yeah, but we say they able to go for your guarantee. Or you have been real soon in there. I want to aspect line. No, someone said, yeah, we market your traffic manager. We need to report it to the police. Because some of these guys come there armed. We have to report it to the police and then indicate the places to them so they can come and arrest those people. Because this is Ghana. When they continue with such things, Sika are buying other railway construction and a railway rehabilitation, refurbishment of coaches. So we have to tackle them and tackle them head on. In there was the 370 or in then a year or then a figure, original the Mala. Before that, the surprise one. Before Friday. Like a surprise one. Exclusive. No exclusive. Okay, but you back there from a hard day, no. What is next? The next is Thursday, you are coming free. Friday, you are coming free. But before Monday, we will come up with an announcement. Okay. Now, this time, so we will be today a friend and another time now. By Friday, by Friday, But I don't know because no. I can always tell you that over here is slightly lower than what the road is charging. Because, like I told you, in marketing, once you exit the market and you are re-entering, there are what you call headers. You need to clear all them headers. One of them is that you need not to pay prices the same as those who are already in the market. You need to come slightly lower. So whenever you enter and Sana, you take it from there. And we are taking all these things into consideration. There are in surveys, there are in checks. And we are coming out stronger than Doc, Obi.
Yes.
Deputy Managing Director now, okay, no, now, after that, I then will book more had day. Or in care what it's when there 3 o'clock and what buying there. Yeah, ready now back to Takwa.
Okay. Indeed, there's a train, if you Takwa say about Takwa.
And Takwa back to Takwa.
And then also you're free.
But you're free.
Okay.
Yami Adam say, yeah, that's also a free. The ma back and forth. Now Fridays, no, so the ma, no, so you're free. The ma, Takwa to Takwa to Takwa. And a past 6. Over the hard days, we are very 3. No, what's way to walk back to Takwa.
Okay.
Now, actually, one place statement on the day now. Actual commercial services over start February 5.
February 5th. Okay. In terms of speed, in terms of comfort, any other, so we compare train ride to Ofa road. The ahin offer say correct.
Oh, I'm the baby ma metineno. No first class. Motu market there now. Or ye comfortable because fan room. You're fine. Now, so after flight, the seats are very comfortable. There were trays now. They are able to say a pedal sana and be able to actually. I enjoy it. Comfortable, except that they would have from Takwa from Kodokrom to Takwa because road, Sorry, because road, or your old one. There were a bit of turbulence, but it adds to the fun.
Yeah.
Because for a lot of people, they're experiencing it for more than 30 years.
13 years.
And for now, the engineer they will want to bear with some of the discomforts. Now, them okay there. Engineers what match them areas in here. I'm sure the all look obey the man in here. National one statement in Kwampa, what may say there along the way in one shot because of lines where you over break kakra. Now, why you word man? In sure the uncle in Kakana de na Bibia Waterton.
Okay. Eric J, my nase, thanks so much for a job well done. Why? Eric J, Jumo Connect FM in Takoradi, and I'm going to say, no, Edin, come, you see, saying so any. And for those of you who watched, and as I'm more sharing on Facebook Live, mobile videos, know how it went down, and Wamayahu, say, train if we Takwa